Hi, I'm Randy DiOrio, Chief Pilot of Van Bortel Aircraft. Come with me. I want to tell you a story. I want to tell you a story about a dream that turned into the most trusted name in general aviation. But first, I have to take you back to 1975. A young man learns to fly a Cessna 150 on a grass strip, driven purely by a passion for flying. In 1985, with $1,000 in a card table in his sister's living room, he started Van Bortel Aircraft. From Monroe County, New York to Texas, from one aircraft to over 300 a year, Howard's vision took flight with a focus on quality, integrity, and unmatched service. Every aircraft we sell here goes through a selection process like no other. Out of the 100 aircraft we inspect, about 20 make the cut. And from that 20, we choose to purchase 10. Why? Because only the best meet our strict criteria. Here, each plane is more than a machine. It's a promise inspected by masters of their craft. Our team just doesn't fix planes. They know them inside and out. Some of them, like Paul, Bill, and Rusty, have been doing this for 38 years. Others like them, experts in every screw, every system, every scenario. When you buy a Van Bortel aircraft, you're not just buying a plane, you're buying a peace of mind. Other dealers move inventory. We build relationships. That's why back in 1990, we pioneered the industry's only 100% money-back guarantee. We want our aircraft back because we believe in them. Whether it's been 1 year or 10, we always tell our customers, give us a chance to buy it back because we trust our aircraft long after it leaves the runway. And you don't have to take our word for it. Just ask our customers, the raving fans. These are the people who say things like,
I would recommend Van Bortel to anybody.
My experience with Van Bortel has been pretty incredible.
ABC, you've done it.
Above and beyond. I mean, it was impeccable customer service.
it's not just about the planes, it's about people. Every single person here is committed to the customer experience. We have team members who've been with us for over 30 years, a true testament to the integrity, excellence, and quality of both our aircraft and the people who stand behind them.
We're always available. You can reach my brother and myself anytime.
From the first phone call to the day you take flight, and even years down the road. 30 years ago, I came here as a new commercial pilot. I got to deliver the finest aircraft in all the world. Those experiences paved the way for me to achieve my dream of becoming an American Airlines pilot. I recently retired in the fall of 2024, and now I'm back where it all started. Why, you might ask? Well, I still get to fly the finest aircraft in all the world. I work with the most trusted and dedicated professionals in all of aviation, but most of all, I get to deliver dreams. And that's what Van Bortel Aircraft is all about. This company was built on trust, excellence, and care, and that hasn't changed. Van Bortel Aircraft is more than a dealer. It's a promise of quality, of safety, of people who care.